Simple phrases to learn English. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. I love you. I love you. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Let's play together. Let's play together. Get some exercise. Get some exercise. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Let's clean your room. Let's clean your room. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Time to go to bed. Time to go to bed. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Drink some water. Drink some water. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Let's take a bath. Let's take a bath. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Get dressed. Get dressed. Can I help you? Can I help you? Do your homework. Do your homework. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Great job. Great job. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. See you later. See you later. Thank you. Thank you.